Hey, what is going on, everyone? This is Akin here. Welcome to my AI SmartReach review. This is a brand new software. This goes live on the 18th of December. Now, this is a marketing software that actually uses the power of AI to help you with your marketing. You do not need any experience with these, because apart from the fact that the software actually does the marketing for you, even the message that you can actually use to reach your audience is also generated for you, so you basically don't need any level of experience. So this is a cloud based software. This allows you to do SMS marketing, email marketing, and even WhatsApp marketing. This is my bonus page. You are going to find the link to this page in the description of this video. Now you would be able to scroll down on this bonus page. You click on any of these links, then it's going to take you to the sales page of AI SmartReach, where you're going to be able to pick it up. And this is what the sales page looks like. Breakthrough: how we get up to 95% opens and thousands of clicks per day by combining the power of chat GPT, email, SMS, and WhatsApp into a single autoresponder without writing restrictions or monthly fee. So feel free to come check this out in your own time. You are going to be getting more information about AI SmartReach on this sales page. Now, software is easy to use because, like I explained, it doesn't really involve you writing your own content, like your own SMS or your own email content. And you can also use this, no matter the kind of business, even if you are a bakery, you are a dentist, or whatever kind of business you have an audience and you want to reach. You are going to be able to use this software. Now, I've put together some high quality bonuses to actually help you get the best out of the software. Now, you are going to be getting access. You're going to be able to see all the bonuses I've carefully put together to get you the best result with this. Bonus number one, you are going to be getting access to my own software that allows you to self-update, enjoy self-updating traffic website, and you also get access to custom affiliate marketing funnels. Bonus number two, you are getting access to another cloud-based software that allows you to generate your own ebooks, automatically add your affiliate links into these ebooks, and also you get access to training that shows you how to use these to basically get affiliate commissions from this content with your own affiliate links in them. Bonus number three, you're going to be getting access to my own software, previously launched software, which you can then customize and then launch as your own. You're also going to be getting access to my traffic pool software, giving you done for you bonus paid templates with done for you bonuses, basically to do your own affiliate marketing. You're also going to be getting access to my list, plus autoresponder software you can go and put on your own hosting. You're going to be getting access to another software that allows you to create automatically done for you product review sites. You're going to be getting access to video training that shows you how to do email marketing with WordPress, and of course all the vendor bonuses. Now, there's a front end for AI SmartReach that goes for $17.95 and gives you access to a ton of features. There are some optional upgrades like the AI SmartReach Pro. You have the AI SmartReach Chat GPT edition, you have the traffic edition, you have the SEO edition, you have the done for you email campaigns, you also have the reseller edition, which are all completely optional. Even if all you get is just the front end, you still get access to keep all my custom bonuses. And I'm going to let you see exactly how this works. You are going to see the demo right now. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Thank you for checking out this review, and I'll see you in the next.
Hello everyone, this is your friend Ram Rawat, the Mustache Marketer, and in this video I'm going to give you a complete walkthrough of how to use AI SmartReach and all what are all the features of the software and how you can use this to generate quality traffic and affiliate commissions and sales. So if you see on the left, you have option for the first option is first section is the chat gpt 4 templates. This is basically the template generator where you can generate templates for email, you can generate SMS templates, WhatsApp template, and you can find all the templates list over here. So this is like for demo purpose I have just created a small list, but if you want to generate an email template, you can go here, you can write your own template. First thing is you can write your own message, like a set of emails you can save over here, and so those will be like your email templates. And if you want to generate email template through ChatGPT, you can simply use some of the done for you email prompts, or you can type your own email prompt. So let's say I want to generate a welcome email for my health newsletter. So you can generate that. You simply hit chat search on ChatGPT and it is going to create that email template for you. You just have to wait for a couple of seconds and it is going to generate that email for you. See, it has generated my welcome email for my health newsletter, and you can see it has written the complete email with all the details. You just have to fill a couple of details like your name, your title, and your newsletter name, etc. And you can write your subject line, or you can ask the ChatGPT generate the subject line for the same. But along with this, you also have option for done for you email templates. So you can go here and you can pick the email template that you want. So let's say you want to send an email introducing your new product line, then you can simply use this prompt. So this prompt will be automatically get added here, and when you hit search on ChatGPT, it is going to generate an email for you for this particular prompt. So I hope you understood how this thing works. So similarly, let's say I'll simply save this email. First one, like welcome to health blog. Okay, so my email is saved. I'll simply hit submit button and my first email template is ready. And I can go back here and check my email template by going inside the template email list. So you can see this is my email and my other test emails and other formats of the messages are here, like SMS template and WhatsApp template. So similarly, you can generate SMS template and as well as WhatsApp template. You go back here, you check it out, like how exactly it's being generated. See, you simply pick the done for you prompt, or if you don't want, you can add your own keywords and generate the SMS template. So similarly, you can generate WhatsApp template, and all the templates will be inside the template list. And I hope you won't have to write anything by because this tool is amazing, right? So the next option is adding the contacts. So inside this, you can create the groups for phone book. So let's say you want to send messages through SMS or WhatsApp, then you can upload those contacts here, or you can add the contacts one by one directly by going inside the contact. So you simply add the contact, you can import your contact, you can export the contacts, and you can form the group. So let's say you want to send SMSs to two different category of people, like some are related to health blogs, other people are related to, let's say you have a shoe store, then like, or bakery store. So you can like categorize by adding them into a different group. Let's say bakery group or bakery customers. Okay, so you have created a new group for the phone book, and you can find your group by going inside the group option. Let's say bakery customers, so you have added them here. And similarly, like then you can add the contacts by going inside the contact option, and you simply say this is my bakery customer, this is my bakery customer, and let's say Rob is my bakery customer, and let's add his number 99, or like you can add exact 10-digit number, and then let's say Rob, and I select the customer in the bakery group, and I'll simply hit submit, and the contact will get added inside the group. So you see bakery customer Rob is added. Now if I want to add one more group, one more contact in the same group, then I simply let's say Mary is the next customer, and I've added Mary inside the bakery customer group. So you see all the customers are being added in the groups. And similarly we can add the email addresses. So phone book contacts will be added, used for SMS and WhatsApp services, and email addresses will be used for the email services. Okay, so similarly you can create the groups inside email address option. You can create a email group, let's say people who are interested in make money online niche, customers or like buyers or prospects. So I can add that group here, and then I can add the contacts, and I can simply add the contact. I can import the contact, I can export the contact, so it's up to me. Let's say test email at I don't know, let's say AI SmartReach.com, and test AISR user. I'll simply say, let's say this, and then I added this particular contact inside this group, and you can see the email is added inside this particular group. And similarly, like I hope you understood how to add the contacts, and once they are added inside the phone book and the email address book, then you can use the service. That is the main feature of the software, that is like sending the bulk SMSs, sending the bulk WhatsApp messages, and sending the bulk email messages. So let's say let's explore one by one. Let's go inside the send SMS option. So let's say you want to send the SMS to the bakery customers. You can select them from directly here. You can upload a list of new numbers or like new customers directly from here as well. And if you want to send a particular SMS to a particular number, you can simply type that number here and you can send the SMS. Now comes this really important part. Like earlier we talked about the templates, but you might not be using the templates all the time. So suppose you want to generate a quick message, you directly go inside the done for you SMS prompts. Let's say write 100-word SMS for urgency so and so. So it's up to you, like if you want to pick this and you hit the search on ChatGPT. So this done for you SMS prompt will generate a message for me, and you see the SMS is generated, and I can replace a couple of things like product name and etc. And I can hit send now by selecting the list of customers. So let's say you are running an offer tomorrow, like 30% off on all the cakes in the bakery. Then you can simply hit send an SMS to all the customers, all the existing customers, and or you can schedule the SMS for a particular date and time, let's say tomorrow, and then I'll simply select the date, and let's say I want to send this SMS around let's say 11 a.m. Then I select the time, and my SMS will be scheduled for 11 a.m. So that's how it works. And once you hit submit, and then the SMS will be scheduled for that particular time. And similarly, let's go to the next option, that is bulk WhatsApp. Similarly, you can generate this message for WhatsApp customers. You pick the customer list from here, and you generate your content from here, or you can type your type your own keyword to generate that message from ChatGPT. And once that is done, you can use that, or you can select the done for you templates. So you go here and you can pick your done for you templates and so on. And if you want to add an image, audio, video file, since it's a WhatsApp message, so you can add that by directly selecting an option from here. So you say I want to send an image with that particular message, let's say like 30% off on cakes tomorrow, today. So I might, if I have created a banner, I can pick that image, upload that image here, and I can schedule this message for particular date and time. Let's say on 16th, I want to send this message at 2:30 p.m. Then I'll simply select the date and time from here, let's say for 2:40 p.m. and then this particular WhatsApp message will be gone to all these customers at 2:40 p.m. and then I'll hit submit and it will be added. Then the next option is sending the bulk email. Similar process. It's a really easy to use software. All I have to do is pick an email address. So suppose I want to send an email to a particular email, I'll simply select that email. If I don't want, I want to send this particular email to the complete group, then let's say these were my customers that were like Make Money Online customers. I selected them from here, and then I can generate my own message. I can use that on for email prompts. So let's say I want to compose an email introducing a new product line, or maybe let's say write a sales email inviting potential customers to schedule a personalized product demo. So let's say I'm releasing a new product. I simply select this, and this prompt is added to the ChatGPT box, and I'll hit search on ChatGPT, and it is going to create me a wonderful email that I'm going to send to my customers. So you just have to wait for a couple of seconds. It usually takes 10 to 30 seconds, so that you can it comes up with the right kind of message. And the only thing that will be required for you to add your name, your title, position, your company name, and the product name that you are about to launch, and few small changes as per your requirements. And you can add a subject line, and simply you can hit send now, or you can schedule it for a later time. So I hope you understood, the software is really simple to use, and it has all the features that are required to help you generate quality traffic through SMS, through WhatsApp, or through email. So it's all up to you how you are going to utilize the software for generation of quality traffic and affiliate commissions and sales. So I hope you understood everything. And before you proceed with the using the software, you just have to do a couple of settings, just a couple of configurations like SMS API, mail configuration, and SMTP configuration, and WhatsApp settings. So these things are covered in the separate video, respective videos for each is being added in the training area. If you still have any questions, queries, you can reach out to my support, that is support@ramrawat.net, and I'll be happy to assist you with anything that is required for you to generate quality traffic, leads, and sales. Thanks for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.